Hey everybody, this is Hazel, I'm Simon. We asked you where we should stop on the way to Pauanui and back. I had to go and give a talk there. You gave us a whole bunch of ideas. We've taken you up on your suggestions and filmed it all for a vlog, but using these glasses. Yep, I'm filming with these sunglasses, Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and my iPhone. So travel with us, we're going on a journey together. Come along for the ride. Okay, well we're on our way to Pauanui, right? And we asked a bunch of people on Facebook where we should stop to eat. So we're taking everybody on our journey. And this guy is telling us where to go. And our first stop is right here. And it is called the Cornerstone Store. We've just arrived at the corner store. We're walking in and we'll see what it's like. Hey Hazel?
Yeah.
We've ordered and look how beautiful it is out here. It looks absolutely fantastic. Well, it looks so good. Really does look great. What a great recommendation.
This is yum.
Was it yum? Have you tried the salmon?
The salmon tastes really nice. The eggs, I like how they're perfectly cooked and everything. And the bread is really easy to cut.
Well, my pie is definitely the hero on the plate. There's not much garnishing going on, but hey, if the pie's good, that doesn't matter. Let's cut it in the middle and let's have a look at this. Whoa. Look at that homemade goodness. All of it out, oozes out.
Oh, that looks so yum.
Right, I want to see you get your laughing gear around that. You're going to pick it up in one go? Come on, in there, get your laughing gear around that. Right, I'll take the camera off you. I've had a bite of my pie and it's absolutely delicious. A real proper homemade pie with great pastry. Ashley served us and it was absolutely amazing. Your recommendation of the pie was spot on. How long have you been working here for?
I've been working here since March this year.
And what do you love about it?
I just love the atmosphere. You get to meet new people and like some regulars that come in and get to know them really well. The crew are really lovely to work with. I love to make coffees and just serve people basically.
And you got that smile on your dial all day, right?
Yep.
Well, thank you very, very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. See ya.
See ya.
So how cool is this? We just can go for a walk and we are so in the country, but right on the main road. Absolutely stunning. And our lunch was really good. The pie was fantastic. The bacon in the burger, I got to try that, was really good bacon. And Hazel's eggs Benny was pretty damn tasty. So thank you for the recommendation. I'm dying to show you the house that we're staying in Pauanui. But look at how beautiful this is. Well, unless we're going swimming, we probably need to turn around, jump in our car and get on the road and go taste some cheese.
Cheese!
Right, let's get this show on the road. So we're going to Matatoki Cheese Barn.